what I'm seeing here, first scenario, Geminis, they're basically saying that some of you guys need to let go of someone that you guys have been dealing with. It's an ex. You gotta let this person go because they mean you no good. And Spirit is saying once you let this person know, there's somebody new that's coming into your life. And the person that's going to be coming into your life, this is the one that you're going to end up being with. But you have to let go of this ex first. For others of you, which I'm picking up about 65, 75% of y'all, tell y'all, this is the energy from the other person that you've been dealing with. So listen, your person, and y'all know who this person is, okay? This person was dealing with an ex. I feel like somebody came back into their life, and Spirit is basically pushing them to let this person go because you're the one for them. And I feel like when they let this person go, they're gonna come back mask off, okay? Like, they're showing you who they really are. They're opening it up to you. They're expressing some stuff to you. Like, I mean, this is like a brand new person, okay? And I feel like their intentions of coming back towards you, they're going to be good because this person looks at you as marriage material. They know you're the one, and they know that they have to put in the work to win you back first, but this person wants to marry you. This person is going to be the one that you end up being with, but they have to let go of this ex that came back into their life. So, honestly, yeah, those are top two. So, let's just see how it plays out in the cards, but yeah. Alright, Geminis. Let's go. Bottom of the deck, I have the King of Pentacles reversed. So, some of you guys could be dealing with the Earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. If not, this is telling me that somebody's having a hard time doing something. So, let's see. Somebody could have felt trapped or stuck in a situation, and now they're freeing themselves. Somebody's speaking up. Tell me more. They're coming out of being frustrated about something, okay? Maybe they felt like their finances weren't in the best shape. If not, this could just be referencing the fact that they're scared or they're feeling like things aren't going to improve between the two of you. Somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio. But, yeah, somebody's feeling like they're not going to have a new beginning. But somebody's needing to change something about the way that they've been handling a situation because they're not happy. Tell me more. Somebody could have been dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but there's somebody here who's very emotional because something just didn't work out like they had hoped. They felt like there was no stability in the situation. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aries. Because, see, somebody was being very sneaky here in the past, and now they need to clean up their act because there was some type of breakup here. There was definitely some type of ending to a relationship or a commitment here. And this person, ooh, y'all know how I feel when I get the Hierophant and the High Priestess together. And this is funny because in the beginning, before I started pulling cards, I kept hearing Twin Flame. So, ooh, okay. Alright, well, y'all are not on the same page though, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, y'all, this is definitely, I feel, a Twin Flame because I heard it before I even started pulling cards. So this message is going to be very specific for somebody, or it could be a couple of y'all out there. Whoever messed up, they're cleaning up their act. And that's why they're scared that you're not going to take them back because there was a third party here. And now they're using their intuition before they come back in. Because, see, look, they look at you as someone who's positive. You could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But see, look, see what I'm saying? Third party was two people here. Somebody was definitely dealing with two different women. It could be two men. Y'all, again, y'all know how I feel about court cards. But you see how, like, they're looking at each other? Well, one person's looking at the other one. The other one like, girl, I ain't worried about you. I'm looking at something else. So, this is why this person is not content. Okay, because I'm going to tell y'all, Whoever this person was dealing with, it was definitely only for finances. That's the only reason why they wanted your person. And your person thought it was something real, but it wasn't. See? Because they want to come back and give you an offer, but see, their money isn't right. And see, now they're in their head because they feel like they lost you, Gemini. The Empress. This person wants a new beginning with you. Clarify the Empress. Okay. They want a new beginning with you, but they're sad. I'm telling y'all, because they feel like they lost you. And this person definitely did take a financial hit. I don't know why. I'm not sure if, like, a couple of seconds ago I said Scorpio, but I keep hearing Scorpio. So, some of you guys could have been dealing with a Scorpio, or they have Scorpio somewhere, like, really heavy in their chart. Or there was a Scorpio that was interfering somewhere. But I keep hearing Scorpio. So, if I say Scorpio, it's by mistake, okay? Because the Scorpio card already came out. So, anyway, I feel like this person is sad. They're definitely upset right now. Because, yeah, there were a lot of secrets, a lot of lies that they kept from you. But, see, they want to come back to give you this offer. And it is a secure offer. But they know that they didn't balance things out. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Pisces. Somebody could have been dealing with a Sagittarius. But they know that they had to get rid of some type of third-party situation in order to bring back balance here. But you're still disappointed in them, and they know it. See? I'm telling you, somebody had to walk away from a toxic situation that they put themselves in. Could have been dealing with a Capricorn here. But see, they're moving away. They moved away from this person, and now they're coming towards you because they learned their lesson. They want to come back and fix things, Gemini. See, they're clearing away obstacles in order to be with you. Tell me more. Told y'all, somebody was in some type of codependent situation. They're trying to get clear away or get out of some type of codependent situation that they put themselves in. Tell me more. Yep, in order to start over and build something solid with you. And it's like, this person wants to communicate with you. They want to let you know that they want to have this new opportunity. They want to start over. But the problem is, even though this person is upset within themselves, like about how they played this whole situation out between the two of you, they're still not opening up. This person's still having a hard time expressing their emotions to you. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But they did make a decision. But see, they're scared to come back towards you because, see, they didn't put balance in the situation before. You were the one doing everything, Gemini. But they're planning. They're planning to come back. They're coming back to give you this new opportunity. They want to work things out because, see, they were moving slow. Like, they didn't know who to choose, what to do in the past, but now they're coming out of this energy. But, see, they're feeling kind of stagnant right now because they left you out in the cold. They know that they hurt you. See, they don't know what to do now. Now they don't know what to do. They don't know how to handle this situation. So, they're taking it day by day here. But because of what they did to you in the past, this is why they're still moving slow. But this was their lesson. They had to go through this in order for them to become a better man or a better woman. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo, but yeah, they're sitting back thinking and reflecting on everything. And now they're scared that things may not improve with you because of what they did in the past. Those seeds that they planted with you, they're scared they're not going to grow. So they've been talking to someone, trying to get help, trying to get advice on how to take this leap to come towards you. And see, because they're back and forth. It's like every time they want to rush back in to say something to you, they don't. I definitely feel like this person was being a player in the past. And it's like, this is why they're scared to come towards you. Because every time they just make a decision on, hey, I'm going to pick up the phone, or hey, I'm going to pop up, or hey, I'm going to message this person, they talk themselves out of this. Like, they need to make a decision. There's a lot of back and forth here. Because, see, look, I told you, they want a new beginning with you, Gemini. They definitely want a new beginning. And, see, they know that they stabbed you in the back, and they're hoping that you can forgive them. Because they're going to take the initiative to come towards you. They know what they want now. They're not playing games with you. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but they're still frustrated. Why? I personally feel like because of what they did in the past. Yep, and they don't want you to walk away. So they made a decision. What's their decision? They see things clearly now. It's like they're not playing games anymore. They know who they want. But the way strength just came out, it's like One minute they have the strength to talk to you, but the next minute they don't, due to the fact that you did cut them off because of their BS. I'll just say that. Their BS. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But this person wants to move forward with you. Could be dealing with a Cancer. Tell me more. But right now, there's just a lot of arguing going on. So, and I don't feel like it's with you guys. It's with whoever they've been dealing with. So, there's just a lot of conflict going on. And this is why you're not really hearing too much from this person. But when they do come back, they're going to come back to apologize to you. But they're just not confident within themselves because they're regretting everything that they put you through. And they're just not being positive right now. See? I'm telling you, there's an offer coming, Gemini, but they feel like you're going to turn them down. Let me see. Yep. They're scared they're not going to have a happy home with you due to the fact they did put you in this third-party situation, but they are going to get out of it. But right now, they're just not putting in the work to come towards you because I feel like they're trying to free themselves from whoever this ex is, whatever this situation is. Tell me more. Yep, but look, when they get out of that situation, they're going to rush in to give you the offer that you deserve. Tell me more. The Tower card keeps trying to peek at me. See, it keeps doing it. Okay. They don't have a peace of mind right now. It could be with their money because maybe they have to give to this other person. And this is why they haven't left that situation alone 100% just yet. But they are going to leave this individual alone. They're going to come back towards you, but they're scared that you're not going to accept them back. Look at that. They look at you as wish fulfillment. They want to be with you. They want to work this out. They want things to improve. And so they're coming to speak their truth to you. Tell me more. Oop. Queen of Swords reverse. So somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but somebody's afraid that this person's going to cut them off if they come back and speak their truth. And they feel like they're not going to have a victory. Tell me more. Gemini, this is your energy. So you could be dealing with another Gemini. But if not, this is just basically saying that you do love this person. This person loves you. And they want to come back to work things out. They want to balance things out. They don't want to look back at what happened in the past because, yeah, they do want to give you this firm offer of commitment here. They want to start over. But see, look, they want to come back to turn things around. They want to work things out. But somebody's not holding on to hope here. Could be dealing with the earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. But this person, I feel like they're trying to make a decision about how to fix things with you. Justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. But I feel like they wanna first figure out how you truly feel about them first. They want the truth. And this could be you. Maybe you want the truth about what's been going on with them. But this person is going to come back. But they're still trying to get out of something. Alright, Geminis. I hope you guys enjoyed your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates for you guys. And I'll be talking to you soon. Love you. Bye, guys. Love you. Bye, guys. Love